Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Beef curry on the menu today. Super tasty and super tender. Going to cook it for quite a little time. Lovely spices, super easy to make. Hope you're going to enjoy this one. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So I've got some beef there. Nice, no bone, very little fat on it. I'm using a beef round, nice and tender. It's quite a good quality, that one. There's about half a kg, so it's about a pound maybe. Tomatoes, chopped. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. There's about 3 medium-sized tomatoes there. Onion, 1 medium-sized onion. I'm using a white one today. Here I've got some oil. There, garlic ginger paste. 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. There's like 2 heaped tablespoons there. Fresh chili, I'm using red ones, optional. Use as many or as little as you like. Today I'm using curry powder. That's a homemade curry powder. You can check out the channel for the recipe for that. Again, 1 heaped tablespoon salt. And then over here we've got our whole seeds. In there I've got some cinnamon, cloves, dried chili, green cardamoms and cumin seeds. Very easy. We're going to do a nice quick method. We're going to mix all this together, get it in the pan. Okay, there's our beef. Here's some salt. Let's get those chilies in. Our curry powder, like I say, homemade that is, really nice. Garlic ginger paste, in that goes. Onion. Little bit of oil. Gonna hold a little bit of oil back for our spices. And then the tomatoes, in they go. We're gonna give that a nice mix. So what we've got left over are whole garam masala and touch of oil. Give that a mix and then over to the cooker. Okay, so I'm just using a wok for this. You're gonna use some sort of pan or wok or something like that. There's a little bit of oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil, by the way. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop in our spices. So cumin seeds, clove, cinnamon, dried chili, and green cardamom there. And all we want to do, just for a few seconds, with the flame fairly high, let them just do their thing. There's our beef mixture ready to go in. Okay, so we're now going to lower the heat. And what we've done here is really infuse that oil, give it a lovely flavour. Now we're going to drop in the whole mixture. In it goes. Incredible. So not on a tiny heat, but just below medium. Let's cook this for about 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, look at that. Those tomatoes have really broken down and give us up a lovely amount of moisture there. This is looking fantastic. Now what we want to do is add a little bit of water. And by the way, if you didn't get that from your tomatoes, it's because your tomatoes weren't that ripe. Nice juicy tomatoes always work really well. You just add a little bit more water than I just did. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat down just above a simmer. We're going to pop a lid on that. We're going to let it go for about 10 to 12 minutes. I mean, depending on the quality of your beef, what we're looking for is a nice tender beef. So for me, about 10 to 12 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. See you then. Okay, look at that. Really fabulous that is. Cooked down beautifully. That meat's nice and tender now. Check that for salt. And we're going to go in now with some garam masala powder, a nice hefty pinch. Fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. Off goes the heat. Let's get that little mix in. And there you go, got a fantastic little beef curry there. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.